Hey there! I just got this new toy called Magneti'Book Animals, but I am not sure how to use it. Can you help me out?
Of course. This is an interactive educational tool that you can easily take anywhere.
Really? How does it develop dexterity?
You get to arrange animal magnets onto the book and create your own stories. It is a hands-on experience.
That sounds fun. Is it really easy to carry around?
Absolutely. It is portable, so you can bring it with you whenever you go. Perfect for kids.
This sounds amazing. Where can I find the Magneti'Book Animals?
Visit the Ginod store. It is a great way to learn while having fun.
I am definitely checking it out. Thanks for the help.